Hello Informed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another review. I have so many products that I have gotten due to the BodyCarb, and in general I have so many products that I would like to share with you guys and just give my opinion on. So there's going to be a few rounds of product reviews, but hopefully you guys don't mind and you guys enjoy these videos. So the product that we are going to be reviewing is the Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Mask infused with cannabis seed oil, and it comes with a face mask, an eye patch, and a lip mask. Now I did receive this in the BodyCarb, so I will leave that link above and down below for you guys to go and see all that I got in that box. Once again, I really do feel like you get a really good amount. You get really great products in the BodyCarb for what you pay, and I really do feel like it is worth it. So if you are into beauty boxes, I definitely suggest you go and try out BodyCarb. We're going to try all these masks out today because, girl, my face needs a little bit of a pick-me-up. Listen. Can't go wrong with a little bit of pick-me-up, okay? So we're first going to start with the Glam Straight Gold Foil Face Mask Cannabis Stevia Oil. This calms, hydrates, tightens, and glows. So what you would do is you apply the mask to clean skin, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, gently massage to absorb any excess. No need to rinse. So let's go ahead and let's do this. I will leave all information about this mask down below, as well as the link. So let's go ahead and put this on. How you open this bad boy. And I like sheet mask. I haven't done one in a while, so this will be fun to try. Okay. And we're gonna do these individually. So we're gonna do the full face first, and then we're gonna do the lip and eye mask together after that. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a two-piece mask, it looks like. Okay, so it has a top part and it has a bottom part. So, hold on. Now, what piece is this? Okay, so this is the eyepiece. So let's put the eyepiece on first. Trying to like get it together to put on is quite interesting. All right, so I'm gonna look in my mirror right here to put it on the right way. Hold on. Okay. Perfect. Oh, it feels really good on the skin. Okay, so my camera ran out of space, but I put the bottom portion on, and I did set my timer for 15 minutes. This mask is really pretty. It's very pretty. It's really good to look at. It is very hydrating for my first initial like put on. It feels like silk on your skin, and I really am enjoying that. So I am loving the hydration of this. I am loving the feel of the mask. My skin just really feels luxury under all this, and it's very pretty. It's comfortable. Some masks like cut into like your under eye area a little bit. Some masks cut into your mouth area, but the two-piece I feel makes it a little bit more comfortable for the face. So I'm gonna keep this on for 15 minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna remove it, and we're gonna continue on. So far I'm loving it. So I'm back. It's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Now I will say that this face mask feels so good. Okay, so good on the skin. It is like a luxury face mask. Like, oh my goodness, take a look at what my skin looks like. It gives you a nice little glow. What? Like, I have not been this impressed with a face mask in a really long time. Like a sheet mask at that. Then you don't need to rinse it. You just gently massage in the excess. and there's quite a bit of excess on your skin. Like your skin, it's not like a little bit of juice. Like, I don't know if you can see my skin. Like, they give you quite a bit of juice. So you just go ahead and you just massage it into the skin. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to make this a 2-part video because I do have the I woke up like this eye mask and the lip mask, but I wanted to kind of do those two together in a way, but that face mask gave me a lot of hydration, and so I kind of want to wait on doing these two, so I'm gonna do these two in a different video. Foil face mask, the 2-piece face mask, is definitely I definitely will buy this. Like, again, I don't know how much they retail for. I forgot how much they retail for, but of course everything will be down below in the description box. But you guys, like, look at my skin. Like, it's just a nice hydration. The product that is on the skin is still on my skin. Like, you rub it in, but it still hasn't fully saturated or seeped into my skin, and it's still there. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to allow that to sit. But okay, so I just want to like pop in real quick because the serum has fully dried, and I wanted to let you guys know how I felt about the serum or the dry down of the product, and it left my skin super smooth. Like, my skin is just so soft. Look at this glow, and that's not from oil, okay? That is not from my oil glands. Look at that glow. Like, I need to go on to SF right now and order some more of those face masks, because I love what they do for my skin, minus my breakouts, y'all. You guys know I'm acne prone, but besides that, my skin feels really smooth to touch. It's not oily, it's not sticky, none of that. The dry down with the product, amazing. But all in all, first impression of this product, I really do like it. To me, it's more of like a luxury face mask. I haven't been that impressed with a face mask in a very long time. Be a face mask that actually like really impressed me, that is a first. Or a sheet mask at that really impressed me, that is a first. Because sometimes I put on sheet masks and I'm like, oh, okay, like they're good, but this one I really do like a lot. So of course I will leave all information about this sheet mask down below, and I will also leave a link and everything down below. And stay tuned, because another day I will be going ahead and I will be reviewing these two together. If they're just as great as the 2-piece face mask, I am going to enjoy these as well. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.